that's a great question. I think I chose to become a chemist because it's a lot of fun. It's really cool to make things that people haven't made before, and to run reactions that people haven't run before. I love discovery. There's a lot of creativity with science. So yeah, that's why I chose to become a chemist. What I love about my job is I get to do stuff like this. I get to have fun. I get to work with students. I love working with students, and I love teaching people things. They don't think that chemists can be fun, but here we are. They think that chemistry is something that you only do in a lab, but chemistry is all around us. So I love the fact that I get to work with students on a day-to-day basis. All right. I love the fact that I get to help researchers get into a position that they weren't in previously. For example, I've worked with over 60 students in my lab, and I've helped get them into med school, into pharmacy school, into graduate school. I have one student in my lab that's now a professor at a different university, so he's now paying back what I gave to him. So I love the fact that I get to position students to succeed for the rest of their life. I would have to say that I would like to be rhodium. Rhodium is an element on the periodic table that will take compounds that are otherwise inert and don't have any sort of reactivity to them, and it will make some beautiful structures. As a graduate student, I worked with rhodium a lot, and it's just a really cool metal. Little known fact, if you get something that's called white gold, there's no such thing as white gold, but you can have gold that has other stuff with it, and the main part that's with it that makes it white is actually rhodium. So for those of you that like white gold, you also like rhodium. What I would say is, a piece of advice is to keep enjoying life and have fun and take risks. Never give up that sense of curiosity. I learned really early on that it's not about having the right answers, it's about asking the right questions. So you should always remain curious. Oh boy, I think I'd be caffeine. I definitely, if you are what you eat and drink, I think I probably am caffeine by now, because I sure do consume a lot of caffeine. The reason it matters, excuse me, the reason it matters is because it's all around you, whether it's in your smartphone or your computer or the internet, or coming up with new computers or medicine, or the instruments that detect diseases. Chemistry and biochemistry is all around us. It's not just medical doctors that deal with medicine, it's really researchers doing research. It's cutting edge.